Yo, hi guys, it's Switch here. Tired Switch recording ChatGPT lessons. So yes, we are on the mine website, my precious website. You can go to AI Basic COURSIV courses. ChatGPT is going to be a lesson number 9. As you can see, then you can go here and then you will have the summary of that lesson, what's the content creation. What's all about, and then you have the all questions and all answers here. Basically, yeah. So I don't have anything from sort of creating those videos. I just simply thought it's going to be a good idea for some people in the future. So maybe they will aim across those videos. They are just basically basic of ChatGPT and basic of Midjourney, ChatGPT, DALI, and some other program, Jasper. So I just thought it's going to be a good idea, and pretty much that's it. So I don't have anything from it. But with that being said, also obviously I'm promoting fuck lots of stuff. But one of this is the Wealthy Affiliate website. If you will go and click on the banner, that will transfer you to this website. And why I'm telling you about this, because that's going to basically change your future life if you wish to basically monetize your passion and you don't know how. So you can change your passion into profession. So that's what I'm doing right now on my channel. I'm going to be basically the guy who will do the newses from Web3 games, so cryptocurrency games. And guess what? I never been into crypto gaming. I don't even have the fucking cryptocurrency exchange. But so what? I used to play games 35 years, so now right now I can play the indie games. Like, I'm actually excited about my vision for the channel. So the vision for the channel is to create this society where we are going to be able to support each other by playing the same games. And obviously you will support me by choosing the games I'm playing, but I will support you with giveaways. That's the idea. Obviously I don't have any money right now, and it will be hard to do any giveaway, but I genuinely like not stingy at all with money. So as soon as I will have the income from what I'm doing, I will be sharing my money with you guys, because I just simply believe like society is supposed to work like that. Like I'm just gonna basically do giveaways for like nothing. Like not like you have to sit on my stream 8 hours and 10 minutes before stream, but I'm not going to tell you when it's going to finish. Fuck that. Like and genuinely, I will be doing the at some points giveaways, and then I probably will tell you when it is, and you can just pop in, we can talk 10-15 minutes, do the giveaway, and then everybody can get the fuck out. And that's how normal life works. It's like nobody gonna fucking sit on someone's stream 8 hours to receive some rewards or giveaway. It's just retarded. So obviously, one more time, yeah, I will try to create community here with the games which I'm going to play for the rest of my life. And those games will obviously give me some airdrops, and I will try to implement that airdrops into either the same game or other games in the same ecosystem to build more, obviously, airdrops in the future, because they're going to be a seasonal airdrops. Not maybe in every game, but I reckon I'm going to choose the games which they only have the seasonal airdrops, which they're going to be like consistent with it. And yeah, I think that's the good intro. I really want to say something else. No, I think that's it. So channel is about the gaming, Web3, tone ecosystem, Telegram games, but also I will do the courses from the COURSIV, which you are right now going to see that, hear that. The courses, we have the 4 courses about the basics of AI. So it's the 4 programs. It's the ChatGPT, DALI, Midjourney, and Jasper AI. But then I will go with the courses which they don't have any certification, but they are introducing you to how to basically monetize your business at home. And then obviously the Walty affiliate, which I already told you to go. So just go there, open an account. It's totally for free. You don't need to spend any money to create the website. But yes, you will need to spend money if you want to have access to the full premium lessons from the Wealthy Affiliate, but you can see them for free on my channel in the other playlist, which is called Wealthy Affiliate. So if you want to know how to open your business and you have no idea, just subscribe to my channel and just watch the videos for free. And then when you decide, you can just go and buy this and just do the as you pleased, which means like if you like, I don't know, cycling, you're just going to do the niche about cycling, website about this cycling, and they will explain and teach you how to do it. Okie dokie, so with that being said, it's the lesson number 9, I believe so. Yeah, was it 9? Fucking hell. Ah! Yeah, it's 9, right? 9. And the Oscar goes, if you don't remember, the Oscar goes to you for not giving a fuck about what other people thinks. I'm tired. So I'm mumbling, but I will manage. Just 7 videos more, so we're good. Righty. What time is it? 7 minutes. We need to do this in 7 minutes then. 15 minutes is gonna be enough. So, lesson number 9. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's gonna be this one. Content creation.
Generating creative content. This lesson to dive into prompt engineering, content creation. Generate creative content. At the end of this lesson, to use ChatGPT to craft detailed and compelling articles that meet specific requirements. I'm Michael Chen, CEO, Tech Innovate Corp. Create content using AI. How to frame prompts, manage context, and ChatGPT necessary data. I have a challenging task for you. Tech Innovate Corp is expanding into media
And we can choose to accept.
We need an article about work-life balance at Tech Innovate for our corporate blog. This piece should highlight our company culture and track potential employees. Any data to write the article, just let me know. So let's get started. It's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned, or skip for now.
Okay. So you can pause the video and read about this. So you will know.
It's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay. We want to read what the fuck is going on, so I'm just gonna press random stuff. Fuck me. I didn't even read that. Like just press whatever. Because if you will do the mistake, that will just basically pop out you the proper answer. So amazing. I'm just fucking amazing.
Start up. Skip.
And if you wonder why I'm doing this so fast and I don't give a fuck about like actually postpone and wait.
Just send an email data to include in the article to ensure it is researched and extensive. Statistics. 78% of employees report that work is essential for job satisfaction. Quotes from employees.
True.
Emphasis on work balance here makes me feel valued and respected as an employee. John Smith, manager. Policies. Flexible work, questions, site well. Now it's time to. You can start applying what.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck because I've done this like 3 times already. And basically I'm just recording that content for some people out there who accidentally will see this video and will take the value from it. And you can take a value from it because it's everything on the website, and obviously you can pause. And for me, the most important part of this video is not actually me talking, it's actually you listening to the course, if you didn't figure out this part yet. I'm crazy, I know. I'm just tired, so that's why that's what's happening when you're tired. Yes, that's happening when you're tired. Yeah, I think so at least. Write the task, write the title, write the title. Okay. So that's yeah. Ideally, obviously, if you somehow manage to watching my video, you obviously wanna pause and then basically read the question and the answer. But then obviously, if you know what you're doing, like you can just crack on with this as fast as possible to go to another lesson, to another course, and then after this, if you feel like you want to do more, then you're just going to start monetizing your passion by writing down your own agents, by maybe starting to creating your own game, by maybe doing your own books, by maybe doing your own audibles, by maybe doing your own comics, by maybe doing your own fucking music NFTs, by maybe doing your own fucking collectible card games. I have so many ideas, and everything what I said, I either already implementing or I will be. That's the thing. Like that's the beauty about understanding just the basics. You don't need to follow the guy who is a guru and talking about all the best newses from the deep seek analysis and shit like that. You don't need to know that. Like if you're a normal person who never use AI, you don't need that stuff. Like people, they listen to that, they don't even know how to fucking use it in the first place. Like what's the fucking point? Like the idea is to unlock your possibilities to do what you want to do, to not to listen to the fucking noise, what people do or what's the news right now. You shouldn't give any fucks what's in the news, what's in the mainstream, and what people do. You have to give a fuck what you want to do. I know I want to create a game on the Telegram, and that's what I'm going to start learning like a month or 2 months from now. You might ask me like, why not switch right now? Because I just want to record those fucking lessons for you guys. So you hopefully will open your mind to understand like we are living in the world where we are not how to put it, there's no any limitations. The only limitation is in your head. And back in the days, like 2 years ago, that sentence might be a little bit funny because there wasn't tools like that right now, like we have. But right now, if somebody saying like I don't know how to do it, or I need to ask somebody, or it's just dude, you have fucking ChatGPT, just ask and he will tell you. Okay, I'm gonna press random shit. Write main content and cover, write main content cover. That's fucked up. I fucked up. No, it's okay. 40 minutes. Oh fucking hell! It's not saying anything.
It's time to put your knowledge.
It's the same shit all the time. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Fuck off. Okay, right. Okay. Again. I think I will just carry on with all lessons like that. I'm just gonna tell like first minute in the beginning, like I just don't want to read this through. Like there is no point. Like if you wanna genuinely wanna learn from it, you will pause and you will just read everything from the website. There's no really point me to read this through. I don't even want to check what's the. I didn't even read that. Like and it's correct. But like I said, I've done this 3 times, and the most important part about this content I'm recording, because I strongly believe there's going to be somebody who is actually going to find this course, and if I was able to grasp the idea to implement and actually start doing the proper work for my future self, I strongly believe there is going to be some group of people who will find this. Although I know these days it's like you have to do everything like for retards, but like I'm not aiming for massive community here. So one more time to understand, like yes, usually where are the big fucking channels? Usually there are lots of retarded people watching. I'm not saying like that's always the case, but I just can't be asked with like editing like some flashy shit and just subscribe, like, and this and that, and like fuck that. Like if somebody wanna genuinely learn, they will just watch at least one video of me doing the content, and then they will know it's a decent content. That's how I feel it. Anyway, correct answer. Great
job.
Great job.
In this lesson, you focused on prompt engineering, writing articles, including generating creative content, structuring prompts, and refining them for different tones and purposes. Apply these techniques to create prompts that produce detailed and engaging articles. Next steps. Next, we'll continue with complex prompts. This will further enhance your ability to leverage ChatGPT for various content generation tasks. Forward to our next lesson.
Okay, yeah, obviously if you don't really give a fuck about those basics lessons, well, you're not gonna watch it. But what I'm trying to say, there's going to be lots of lessons from the same course about how to make money online from home. So I might do those lessons much more in depth, in focus, just simply because I will be learning new stuff as well. But right now, like doing this 3rd time in a row, I can be fucking asked. So sorry about that, but genuinely, I have a good intention. So like I said, everything is on the website. Everything, you will have the summary and all screenshots. Feel free to ask something if you want to ask. So that's it for now. 18 minutes. The next lessons, like I said, I am trying to do this much faster. So hopefully the all the 4 playlists of AI is going to be much faster and smoother. But with me, you never know. Anyway, have a good one, guys. See you in the next one. One more thing to add. 4 playlists of AI, and then we're just gonna carry on with the stuff how to make money at home. So stay tuned for this one. Where is this stuff? Where is this stuff, bro?